Hey guys, it's Lepri. I'm gonna show you easy way to take the bag from sit-up guard. Okay, so I'm here with Kennedy. So I'm here, start on the DLR Riva, right? So now from here, what I'm gonna do is, I will not set up from here, right? I'm gonna use now my hand, I'm controlling his ankle. I'm gonna start controlling his other sleeve on the opposite side, right? As soon as I do this, I'm gonna start break the grip, okay? Break, and then my right hand is gonna reach his armpit over here. And I cannot allow him to control my collar with his left hand, right? It doesn't matter if he's grabbing my collar with his right hand, okay? But I cannot allow him to grab my collar with his left hand, right? My right hand is gonna reach his armpit over here, right? As soon as I get this position, my right foot now, I'm gonna drop on the floor, I'm gonna cross his arm, and then I'm gonna skip my hips out, okay? And then he's gonna fall on my lap, right? Once I do this, I'm gonna let it go his armpit. I'm gonna looking for his shoulder or his collar over here, underneath his arm, right? Skip my hips a little bit more. Once I get here, I'm gonna let it go the sleeve and go to the seat belt. At this point, I can stretch him a little bit, and then I'm gonna put my second hooking.